He stretched his winning streak to 8 with a world record performance.
They're off and trotting. Mark 6 from the outside for the lead. Between him, Flackbait away second. Down along the rail, Practice out third. Workaholic fourth. Bond Sport 5 on the outside. Rushing up, Hollyhurst 6. Between horses 7. Ron B. Hanover on the outside. Collector's Work is 8. Along the rail, Noble Tarport 9. Field thundering toward the quarter-mile mark with the lead. Mark 6 by a length and a half. On the inside, Flackbait settles second. Along the rail, Practice waits third. 4 on the inside, Another Miracle 5. Workaholic on the outside. Trotting 6 as they race past that mark is Hollyhurst. They're there 28. They're on the backstretch. On the inside, racing 7 down the backside is Bond Sport. 8 on the outside, Ron B. Hanover. 9, Noble Tarport. 10 on the outside, Collector's Work. 11, Lord of All. Out the back, nearly perfect as they drive toward the half, and on the move, Flackbait. Here comes Flackbait out and driving. He takes over Mark 6 now second, and Practice is on the roll on the outside. Practice moving. He's picked up cover approaching the half on the inside with the lead. Flackbait on the outside. There goes Practice. 150 and 56 and 1. They're into the turn. Off a half. 56 and 1. Practice takes over. He leads a length and a half. On the inside, Flackbait second. Mark 6 third. Trotting 4, Another Miracle. 5, Workaholic. 6, Ron B. Hanover. 7 on the inside, Hollyhurst. 8 on the outside, Bond Sport. Racing 9 between Trotters, Collector's Work. 10 on the inside, Noble Tarport. 11, Lord of All. 12 is Nearly Perfect. They're at the three-quarter. Practice has them by 3. A wall of Trotters, 124. Here could be a world record. They turn for home. He's got 3 quarters and 124. A last quarter in 29 and 4 would tie the fastest mile ever by a trotter. He's in the lane. Practice has a wall behind him. He leads by 4. On the outside, Workaholic trying to move up second. Practice drifting across the racetrack, trotting to what might be a world record. It should be a track record. Practice off 3 quarters, 124 by 5 legs. Practice home in, 53 and 2. There it is! There it is! That's the fastest ever by a trotter.
Not only was Practice's time